Hey guys, are you looking long-range electric scooter? In this video I will show you top 5 best long-range electric scooter to buy right now. I made this list based on my personal opinion and our research, and I have a list of them based on their quality, durability, price, and more. To find out more information about these products you can check out the links down in the description. Also make sure you subscribe to stay up to date with the latest technology video. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 5. Brand name, FLJ, model number, K6. The FLJ 6000 watt electric scooter is an extreme scooter that is capable of reaching speeds up to 90 km per hour and has a range of up to 120 km. The FLJ 6000 watt is also compatible with a variety of accessories, including a folding seat for comfort and safety, LED lights for visibility during night riding, rear luggage rack for storage, front suspension for extreme stability, and more. Good suspension also contributes to a comfortable ride. With a robust aluminum frame and 13-inch tubeless road tires, this is a Mercedes of the e-scooter world. The 50 ampere-hour 60-volt battery powers dual 3000 watt motors, which take around 6 to 8 hours to charge. The folding handlebar of this car adopts the locking thread principle, so it will not have gaps to tilt when you need to lift the car to go up the stairs. It also has a portable design at the rear of the car. Quick folding design for convenient carrying in your car trunk. Suitable for adults and teenagers for fun. The taillights come with integrated turn signals. All in all, the lighting is spot on and a great choice for those who like to be cool. Battery energy density is high, the average output voltage is high, the service life is longer to provide lasting power for battery life. The maximum load of the scooter is 180 kilograms and there is no folding mechanism. There is a display on the handlebars which you can recognize from other similar scooters. Displays driving information such as current speed, range, and remaining battery capacity. The electric scooter FLJ K6 received a 60-volt 50 ampere-hour 21,700 Li-ion battery. It is located at the bottom of the scooter. Riding an electric scooter FLJ K6 is really fun. Number 4. Brand name, X-Tron, model number, T88. Equipped with 11-inch off-road tires, X-Tron T88 has stronger bearing capacity, better shock absorption, and stronger grip, so you can ride safely and comfortably. Excellent shock absorption and anti-slip tread ensure that the X-Tron T88 is suitable for a variety of road surfaces. Front and rear shock absorption provide a comfortable ride on bumpy roads. X-Tron T88 60-volt 5,600 watt foldable electric scooter comes with high-speed DC brushless powerful dual motors. 2 into 2,800 watt motors propel the electric scooter to a maximum speed of 85 km per hour. IPX4 waterproof ensures you can ride in rainy days. Drain the air inside the oil brake to adjust the brake sensitivity. Number 3. Brand name, FLJ. Model number, X14. This hyper scooter FLJ X14 Maximum Premium Electric Scooter is built to go further, faster. The controller and battery in a separate box, and added a cooling fan so you can ride harder, longer without overheating. Besides the traditional EY 3-finger throttle and LCD display, centered LCD display making it easier to check your speed and battery levels. Under your feet, the X14 has an enormous rubberized deck, motorcycle-grade suspension on the front and rear, allowing riders to experience a smooth and controlled ride on roads with various conditions. Along with those fat, rugged 14-inch off-road tires, the X14 delivers maximum comfort. The red warning light and turn signal are designed to make you more safe and considerate at night. The battery case has a combination lock and a password reset function. Forget about having range anxiety. With its massive 80 ampere-hour lithium-ion batteries, you can reach a range of up to 155 miles. Not recommended for the faint of heart. you will reach some serious acceleration and speeds on this fantastic scoot master of an e-vehicle. Aluminum design with IP54 rating rides through wet roads and light rain. The electric scooter is made of strong aluminum alloy for a maximum weight of 180 kilograms and itself weighs approximate 85 kilograms. The two controllers, which are both mounted in this electric scooter, sit in the part of the handlebar itself and not down in the foot panel under your feet. This helps to protect them better against rain, and it is something you start to see more often in the larger models of the various brands. These controllers even have their own cooling fins, which are also fitted with LED lights. The electric scooter X14 is fitted with acrylic lights at the front of the handlebars and powerful U7 lights, plus side lights, rear lights, and turn signals. Cooling units are also mounted in the foot panel where the battery is located. Batteries are removable, giving you two ways of charging your scooter. FLJ comes on this model with a brand new feature where you can take the battery out and charge it inside. You can see on your screen on the scooter how many volts it has charged. The FLJ X14 also boasts insane double 5,000 watt motors that give you a top speed of 90 to 100 km per hour. Battery energy density is high, the average output voltage is high, the service life is longer to provide lasting power for battery life. Good lighting with several different front lights, rear lights, turn signals, and side lights. Number 2. Brand name, Kaabo, model number, Wolf King GT Pro. The Kaabo Wolf King GT Premium electric scooter is built to go further, faster. With more powerful 50 ampere sine wave controllers in the stem, you can ride harder, longer without overheating. Under your feet, the King GT's got an enormous rubberized deck, motorcycle-grade suspension on the front, and serious spring suspension on the rear. Along with those fat 11-inch street tires, the GT delivers maximum comfort. The King GT has front and rear turn signals, the signature Wolf dual headlights and underdeck lighting, along with our full attention. It looks sick, rides smooth, and is the ultimate performance machine. The 4.2-inch TFT display with anti-glare, password protection, full color, and thumb throttle for perfect speed modulation. Kaabo Wolf King GT is one of the finest you will find in this world of electric scooters. Number 1. Brand name, Jeowak, model number, S7. The scooter is a high-speed and power electric scooter designed for the ultimate on- or off-road experience. Its motorcycle-grade inverted hydraulic front and rear shock absorbers enable ride in any terrain, whether it's wet slippery conditions or uphill climbing rocky surfaces. Equipped with 5,600 watt dual motors, the maximum speed can be up to 50 miles per hour. The scooter has a 50-degree climbing ability and can easily climb steep slopes. The front and rear of the e-scooter are designed with hydraulic shock absorption. Even if the road is uneven, the scooter will bring you maximum comfort. The long driving distance is enough to reach your travel destination. The maximum weight of the scooter is 440 lbs, which can support the weight of 2 people. ABS electronic brakes say goodbye to emergency brakes, electronic power failure, electronic resistance, and oil brakes are more stable. 11-inch vacuum explosion-proof tire, larger and wider. More capable of driving on a variety of roads and safer driving. IP54 waterproof rating. The scooter can be used commonly even on rainy days.